Hello. I had a customer inquiry the other day about the serum. This is my serum from home that I've bought in just to show you. It must be from the same batch that the customer had got. She said that the serum had got little bubbles in it. I don't know if you can see that or not. Let me just focus that. This occasionally happens to a batch of serum. There is absolutely nothing wrong with it, and it won't affect how effective it is or anything. It's all down to weather conditions, temperature of the studio. It's basically the jojoba wax that sometimes sets slightly quicker than the rest of the oils and butters. Now, to remedy it, all you need to do is just rub your hands together. The heat from your skin will disperse the wax and it will become beautiful and slick and smooth again. There is no rhyme or reason for why this happens. The products are 100% natural. I don't use any artificial fillers or stabilisers in them that would add chemicals to stop this happening. I think it's rather lovely that the products are 100% natural and that this can sometimes happen. It's just a natural process, but all you need to do is just rub your hands together. If you're using just a tiny little bit of serum, just rub it just in your fingers like this, and it's fine, and it will apply beautifully. It will still nourish your skin. It won't affect the efficacy of the product at all. It goes on just as beautifully. It just sometimes does that. There is no rhyme or reason for it. But yeah, doesn't affect the product at all, and there's nothing wrong with your product. It's just gone a bit grainy, that's all. Like honey sometimes goes a bit grainy if the temperature is falls a bit. Sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't. It's natural. That's all part of the beauty of it. So I hope that's okay. Bye.